a cargo ship navigating throughout a busy channel. Vessel traffic service. This is cargo ship MV Pilipinas, currently at position 14 degree, 32 minutes north, 120 degrees, 56 minutes is traveling. At 11 knots, we are bound to Batangas Port. We have scheduled arrival time of 1,700 hours tomorrow. We've just passed the Corridor Island and are proceeding throughout the Cavite Channel.
MV Pilipinas, this is Vessel Traffic Services, Manila. We have you on radar. Please confirm your expected time of arrival at the entrance of Batangas Port.
Our estimated time of arrival at the entrance of Batangas Port is approximately 1,900 hours tomorrow. We are aware of the high volume of traffic in the channel and are maintaining safe speed.
MV Pilipinas, we acknowledge your RTA. Please note there is a strong tidal current forecast for the channel between 1800 and 2000 hours tomorrow. We recommend adjustment your speed accordingly to avoid potential delays or collision.
Understood. BTS, we will adjust our speed and keep a close watch on the tides. There are any other vessels expected to pass throughout the channel within the next 2 hours?
MV Pilipinas, a fishing vessel's every signing is expected to pass through the channel in a proportional 30 minutes. There are currently position 14 degrees 30 minutes north and 120 degrees 54 minutes east. Please maintain a safe distance and proceed with caution.
BTS, we will maintain a safe distance from the fishing vessel. We appreciate the information and we will extra diligent over out.
MV Pilipinas, you are cleared. We are monitoring your progress and we keep you updated on any change in the traffic situation.